I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing right here. I got the oven on bake on 350. We're gonna start some seed. I've got some dirt, soil, some call it, but that's what I'm gonna start my seeds in. I've got it in a pie plate baking. I've had it in here for about, I'm gonna say 15 minutes or so. So I'm fixing to take this out. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna pot some hot peppers, ghost peppers, and some sweet peppers. We've got our dirt. It's cooled down some. We baked it in the oven in there. Hopefully we got it sterile. What the attempt was to do there. Oh, we're gonna pot up some of these peppers. What I've got that I'm gonna pot is my, showed in another video, my ghost peppers, and then I've got some Havana sweet peppers. Habanada, however you pronounce that. I'm not good with words. And if you want to read that, I'm not going to attempt to pronounce that again. I made a fool out of myself on the other video. But that is a ghost pepper. You want to read right back there for just a second. You can pause it and read it. Ghost pepper. This right here is a sweet pepper. You can pause that if you want to read it. I don't have all day for you to read slow. Let's do the ghost pepper first. Alright, being that this is a hot pepper, I don't need very many of them. So I've got a 4-cell pack, and I probably should have sterilized this with maybe some bleach. But I did not do that. I may wish I had them. I haven't had a lot of bad luck with my peppers though. I'm gonna just go for it. My tomatoes is the only thing that damping off has really hurt me on. But now these are different peppers they made. And I have yet to get a habanero to come up. I'm still working on that. And then I'm going to do a 6-pack of the sweet peppers, because I'll eat more of them. I'm not going to eat very many ghost peppers. I'm going to use them to make hot sauce. That's my purpose for this. I make salsa, I make pepper sauce, but I have not made hot sauce. We've got rain coming in today, so the wind is picking up bad. I hate the wind. Everything you lay down, when you're trying to fool with seeds, it'll blow them out of your hand, everything else. But we did just enough dirt to fill up our 2 packs right here. In fact, I filled them up and then dumped it in that pan so I'd know how much dirt I needed. I'm going to leave them in this junk skillet. This skillet is leftover waste. Garbage, it ain't no good. Alright. I got some Sharpies and some ink pens. I have a pocket full of stuff all the time. Alright. Let's see, these may just come on open. I may not need my pocket knife. Alright, folks. I'm going to put, I don't know. I don't have a whole lot of them. Alright, I did 2 per sale. See if I can let you see. I don't know if you see, but you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one, it fell down in there. You can see it barely. Alright, I'm going to take my pocket knife. in there. Let's make a tag that says ghost pepper. Stick that in there. Alright, now I'm short a tag. We're going to have to take to a piece of tin somewhere and make us another tag. Let me show you how to do that right quick. Let me go get some snips. Got a piece of metal laying right here I had laid down to keep the chickens from scratching the dirt out of my shed. What this is a piece of soffit metal. It's white on one side or gray, and then a charcoal, what we call it, on this side. Oh, being I don't need but a little bit, I'm going to just cut me a tag. I'm just going to take and I'm going to cut me a strip right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut this whole strip off, a long strip, because I can make several tags out of it. I'm sure I'm not through potting seeds as much as this ought to be the last thing I need to pot. I can't really see me quitting at this point. I'm just going to cut this straight across. I'm going to cut that one at an angle and point it. Point it. What I did is I just got me a flat strip of metal. Yeah, I'm old lefty. Had to do everything with left hand. Except play guitar, I play it right-handed. Alright. We're gonna write sweet. Let's write the name of what it is. I don't even know how to spell it. Habanada. Habanada. Real close to banana and habanero, ain't it? Alright, I'm going to put that back there. Now we're going to open this up. I know I say we a lot, it's just me. But I'm including you in this. That's why I say we. Me and you. See? Two of we. Gotta have a good time. If you can't enjoy what you're doing, stay at the house. Find something to do that you like. Enjoy life. Too short to be miserable, folks. Alright, that's 2 per sale on that 6-pack, so we've got 12 seeds in there. I can probably give some of these, well, let me use my knife, separate some of these feel like right side by side. We don't want them, I want to spread them apart so that I can separate them once they come out. Okay. And I just barely poked them down under the soil, about a 1/4 inch, something like that. They'll come up. No worries. Alright, we got some cranberry water. No, I just caught this rainwater I catch out of a barrel over here. We're going to bottom water this. I put about a 1/4 of an inch in there. Now this table's not perfectly level, so I'm going to wiggle it around. I'm probably going to put a little more in that for initial. I want to keep that soil moist because I just baked that and it dried it out somewhat. Hoping I've got it sterile. I can't promise you I do. But I tried. Once that wicks up, it'll do what it'll do is it'll wick. It'll come up, it'll suck it up in there. If y'all seeding any plants yourselves, you know what I'm talking about. Giant, that's the black crayon, that's the rainbow. Now this pot here, I bought a bunch of seeds and I put some marigolds and I put I don't know what all in there. And so far there is only one seed, and that's, I don't know, several days. And I got one seed coming up there. But you know, if it only grows one plant, I'll be alright. I think I do see some other little stuff coming up. I don't know what's what. I sprinkled several different flower seeds in there. I wanted to make a flower arrangement of wildflowers, and we're going to see what that's going to do. Alright. We're going to leave that sitting here. I may take that in there till those germinate in the house. All the rest of this seems to be doing well. I think I will. It's fixing to come a rain, so I'm going to pull some of this stuff probably today and put it under this table because I don't know what kind of a storm we're about to get. I do know that it is fixing to rain. And I don't want to lose my plants, so I need to take these seed packs inside. I don't know yet what I'm going to do with my strawberries. I have strawberries in here. We're going to do a separate video on the strawberries, so get out of that garden. You see these two dogs up here in my stuff I just planted yesterday. Wanting to dig holes. Lord help, raise animals, they said.